Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll explain to you if you can zoom out in these kind of videos where they're doing the viral flash trend you see on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So the viral video trend which you see on TikTok, mainly they're women filming the top half of themselves so that the video cuts off just above the chest. They usually just show a tiny part of the low cut top, which is small enough that the video won't get taken down by TikTok. In the caption here, they write down zoom out, telling people who are watching that they should zoom out to see the whole video. It's called the flash trend because people are hinting that they are about to explicitly flash the watcher when they zoom out. So the question is, can you zoom out on TikTok? The answer is no, you can't zoom out on TikTok. The whole trend is a prank. And as you do that, nothing happens. So it's mainly for pranking users who are watching this TikTok video. So there you go. You cannot zoom out on this viral flash video trend you see on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.